edition of the Woodin Wednesday Style Session with me, KANE, your celebrity wardrobe stylist. So today I'm going to teach you how to turn a very simple outfit, which could be your everyday office dress, dress for the get-together, or dress for everything, into a runway look and another evening chic look. So if you're ready, then come with me. You all know that Friday wear is a thing now, but it's going from Friday wear to Monday, Tuesday, everyday kind of, I can rock my fabric kind of thing. So this is my everyday look, right, for work. Or I can wear this to a gathering with the friends or anything. But I want to make other looks out of this. So let's say you have this dress and you have to go to a dinner or an award show later, but you really don't have money or the funds to make another dress. But then you remember you have some pieces of this fantastic Woodin fabric left. So you want to think off your head, how can I create another look from this existing look? And this is what I'm going to show you today. So let's talk about the runway look that we're going to get out of this. So this is a basic 6-piece fabric that I got from Woodin. I made this dress with 3 yards of the fabric, and I made an extra piece with another 3 yards, okay? This could be a cape, it could be a skirt, it could be an extra accessory to the dress. So first of all, I'm going to make a runway look, which is more like avant-garde, more out of the ordinary kind of thing. So I'm going to throw this off my shoulder like this, or around my shoulder. And I made this extra sling to be able to make a bow out of it, okay? And then just tie it in a bow. I've just created a very chic, avant-garde evening look out of this. I could go on the runway with this and you think, oh, who is that designer? That's me, right? So I've turned my work dress, my simple work dress, whatever, into a very beautiful avant-garde look. Also, if you're in America or in those cold countries and you want something to go over your outfits, this could serve as a cape or, a scarf or anything, and then you're looking chic in your Woodin fabric at the same time. So there you go. Okay, so if you also want to go to an evening event, these days with all these red carpet events, you're wondering what to do, but you have this dress already, and really you have an extra fabric. So with this same accessory that I made, I'm going to turn this simple dress into a gown. So watch me. First of all, this will go around the waist like this, and then I'm going to tie it. And then, of course, make a bow. So in a very simple step, I've created an evening look out of my simple dress. So this is how to turn a very simple dress into several looks without spending extra money. This also can go on anything at all. Say you're wearing your t-shirts and your jeans and you want that extra accessory, this could go on it. So today I'm going to demonstrate with one of you, since both of you are wearing jeans. Let me invite you to come over, and then we're going to show you how, let's say you came to work in your jeans and your t-shirts, but then you're going out in the evening and you want a little bit of extra glam. I've just given you a skirt for free. So basically, I've created the impression that you came to work in a top and an African print skirt. This is lovely, isn't it? So there you go. Another person can try it. Yep. Or a man, this could be a scarf or a coat or whatever. So let's say he's just coming from work and he just got a ticket to go to America. And it's so cold in America right now. And he got there, all he had is his African prince girlfriend's cape dress. And he's going to make the most out of it. Give it up for him. Yeah. This brings us to the end of our session. I hope you really enjoyed how to make 3 different looks from one fabric, and you don't have to spend a fortune to look good 3 times. So if you enjoyed today's session, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at The Nation Is Coming, or you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Woodin Fashion. Woodin, be bold, be creative, and be African.